Over there. There, yes.
I found him, Ryder. He's digging for treasure on that mountain. Yeah, but look, he's making a bunch of cracks in the ice.
If he's not careful, he could cause an avalanche. We have to hurry.
A cave? I bet the treasure's in here.
Wait, Mayor Humdinger! Careful! You're causing an avalanche!
What? I can't hear you. There's an avalanche. Wait, avalanche? Ah!
Mayor Humdinger! Mayor Humdinger! Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. I'm trapped and alone and... Oh! I fell on my body.